Normally I pull my trash can out the night before, but I literally pulled it out as soon as they pulled up this morning. Huge win for the day.
Again. Oh, hey. Goldilocks. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. I got a surprise for the boys at the shop today because popcorn machine is down and it's been tough. These are tough times at the shop right now. And we need to lift the spirits up. So in honor of the popcorn machine being down, I got a little surprise for the guys. It's a little surprise. So hold on just a second. Pull the door. It's got marked where popcorn. Look. Alright, look now. You don't have to open that motherfucker all the way up and walk through it, bro. It's cold. Shut that motherfucker. Oh, there it is. We got some of the smart food. The best popcorn, and just for the hell of it, because it was sitting next to it, we're gonna try caramel cheddar mix. Ooh. Smart food popcorn. Can I ask you a question? Sure. You got those 2 little bags for 4 big ass guys? It's a taste test, okay? Taste test. Guys, I've got great news. Popcorn machine's working. It's about to start popping. Just give it like 20 seconds, and we'll have a finished product. All right, here we go. It's about done. It's about done. Got it. Wow. Tough times. Man, my hair is like all over the place right now. That's a look right there. All right, well, we're doing a little bit of maintenance on the truck today. Look at this. Wow. This is like, I need to go see Steph. What's going on? Anyway, Steph's the guy that cuts my hair. Pulling the truck in today, we're gonna do a little bit of routine maintenance. Gonna check the hubs, tie rods, check the upper control arms, ball joints, all that great stuff. Check and make sure there's no play. And I'm changing the oil as well. These are things, if y'all own a lifted truck, you need to do these things. Every time you get the oil change, check all your suspension components up front. You know, your rear end's not gonna have as many issues, but especially, you know, those tie rods, the hubs, if you're running 14 wides, you definitely need to make sure you're checking these things. So we're gonna pull it in, get these couple of things checked. I don't know if I can fit into the bays with the tow mirrors on. I mean, I would assume so, but we're gonna find out. The good thing about having a big lifted truck is I don't even have to lift it up to change the oil. I guess I can fit. People like seeing behind the scenes. BTS.
Yeah, get him his camera down there.
No, I don't want the camera down there.
Yeah, get him his camera. How about kicking the whole can all over the place? Her need an old camera.
This is what happens at work. I'm getting oil all over the place.
Look at yourself.
I don't even have to put my truck on the lift.
Do you even know how to oil change, bro?
First world problems. Changing my oil, don't even have to lift it up.
Oh, that nose. That nose is on point.
Oh man, he's zooming all in on the nose, isn't he? Oh no.
Oh, nose.
I gotta get out the hoodie here.
Side shot, baby. Side shot.
Side shot.
Front shot. Front with the whole
I was at the front shot.
Front shot. Now he's looking at my ass.
All right. Make good money to see that ass.
That's Instagram's ass right there. I can't go as far to say that's America's ass. I'm not Captain America. I'm assuming most of y'all know how to change your own oil, so I'm not going to show you guys this process. Because if you don't know how to change your oil by now,
I feel like that's a bad shot. It's like all your back.
on my back.
Oh yeah.
People like to see this kind of stuff, or maybe not. I don't know. Bean's gonna be my new camera guy.
That's probably dangerous, but I'm about it.
Why is my oil filter still leaking oil?
Did you tighten it all the way?
I don't think so.
Did you man grip it?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Your camera's filming you, by the way.
You know what's nice about filming YouTube videos?
Hey, we gotta do a checkup on the toes.
You can edit out anything that you want.
We gotta edit up, check out the toes.
Toes?
Toes Already scratched.
On Jake's toes. The paint is gone already. Gone.
Wham!
Already gone.
Gone but not forgotten.
Maintenance on the daily. Hashtag Bowtie, Chevy, Chevrolet, Lifted, Off-Road, Netto, Daily Driver.
What do you have to say about this, Jake?
Say about what?
Your pink toes.
My painted toenails.
uh,
More red, not pink.
can't take you nowhere, Jake.
Add a little flash.
What you doing under there?
I'm switching out my blinker fluid. I couldn't even say it with a straight face.
Eye drops are technically blinker fluid.
Whoa! Eye drops your blinker fluid.
You got a good point.
See, it's the stuff like this that doesn't make it in the vlog that's like perfect.
Oh, this will make it in today.
The blinker fluid skit?
Oh yeah, 100%. That's the good stuff.
I'm about to set your camera up here.
I'm about done now.
Well, your camera set up on you. Wave to the people. Hello.
Yeah, I'm done. Just gonna clean up a little bit while I'm under.
I got what you need.
There we go. I think I had a can under here already. Yeah, there's no leak. We're good. Need to hurt my wheel. Oh. It's been there.
It's been there.
Tight? No. Alright. It's gonna move a little bit.
It's tight.
Good and tight.
Good and tight.
Tighter than
Oh man, I don't know if I can put that in there. The moral of the story here is if you have a lifted truck with any kind of wide wheels and tires, or a lifted truck at all, make sure you're checking your stuff. Make sure you're checking out your front end components, your suspension. Make sure you check that stuff on a regular basis. Don't let something stupid happen to you just because you're lazy and don't want to check it. Just stopped and saw my boys over here at Mag's Upholstery. Everything going good at the upholstery shop today. Making some moves, getting that bread, because that's what we do. I'm on my way home. I don't know what we're gonna eat for dinner. That's always a big thing. Big thing for me is meals. As long as just keep me fed. That's all I want. Keep me fed and let's get some bread. Damn, that was good. Fellas, let me put y'all on some game real quick. Let me explain something to you. If your girl's having a rough day, if your girl is stressed, if your girl, whatever, even if she's not, even if she's having a great day, go buy your girl some flowers, buy her some wine, buy her some food, buy her something. I just got Christina flowers, wine, and we got some salmon for tonight because we're gonna cook tonight. Y'all do the little things. I'm telling you, it goes a long way. And I'm not trying to get any points or anything. Like that's just what we're supposed to do. Part of having this YouTube channel is being able to influence people and being able to tell people, inspire people. I want to inspire y'all to be gentlemen. We talk about, we drive bow ties, that wide bow tie, Gentlemen wear bow ties. Let's be the gentlemen of the truck game. Let's be the gentlemen of the world. We driving bow ties around here. Represent. Cop chilling up here somewhere. Oh look, there they are. There, just past them. You see them back there? Yeah, you ain't gonna get me today. Not today. Well, back at home. Another day. I'm working on trying to figure out a new giveaway for you guys. I want to try and do weekly giveaways, and I'm also, there's a Bojangles right down the street from my house with an empty lot next to it, and I'm really thinking about trying to set up a truck meet here in Atlanta in this area over there at the Bojangles. So let me guys know if you'd be interested in that, any of you that are local. I'm gonna go inside and get something to eat because I'm hungry, and yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread.